Hello, hello, hello. This is me. This is Dimitri again. I'm here to do a video on my alarm. So I'm gonna place this on here so I can show you what it does. Okay. Um, Two things. This will activate when it's tampered with. So the remote. Um, Here's the remote. Um, I'm gonna try some. Okay, if I were to touch the vehicle, it would go off. And if I were to get on it, it would still go off. So here we go. Okay? And even if someone were to try and, I'm gonna arm it. If someone were to try to take it off, it still goes off. So, there's, I mean, if someone were to try to take it off, it would go off. So, um, and if someone were to try and move the bike, it would go off. So, I mean, it came around about $9.81. So, I mean, it would be good for somebody that has a bike. And this is my bike, and right there's the alarm. So, I mean, it does good. Uh, um I mean, it does good. So, um, get it on Amazon. Nowhere else sells it. You got to get it on Amazon. Bye.